Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. In this video, you'll learn how to straighten the horizon in Photoshop. Start by clicking on the crop tool on the left menu. Next, click on the straighten button on the top menu and make sure delete cropped pixels is unchecked and content aware checkbox is checked. Now draw a line parallel to the existing horizon and release it when it looks more or less correct to you. Next, click on the overlay button in the top menu and make sure grid is selected. This will allow you to test your new horizon line against the grid reference lines. Click the reset button if something looks wrong to you and you like to start over. Now repeat the steps of clicking on the straighten button and then drawing a line parallel to the existing horizon and then comparing it to the grid lines. If you want Photoshop's AI to automatically fill in the corners after you tilted the image, make sure the content aware checkbox in the top menu is checked. Finally, click on the tick button on the top menu or hit enter to commit your changes. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.